I've seen people who know also Sanskrit very well. They are running here organizations. But they don't know anything about Kundalini. It's very surprising. What do they read? I don't know. And if you go to them, they'll argue so much with you that you feel like running away from. Only they know how to argue. No argument needed. Actually, it is there within you, this power is. Do you argue with your stomach how to digest the food? And even if you do, will the stomach understand? It's as stupid as that to argue about something which is so spontaneous, which is a living process. It's a living process of your evolution. Now, by the way, how did we become human beings? Do we know? And how do we become a superhuman being? If there is a way, there's a method, you don't have to spend anything, but you have to grow. If you don't grow, it's useless, as Christ has described, that some seeds fell onto the land which was not fertile. Is it true? Are we living in a land which is not fertile for spirituality? Or we are running after some things which are elusive? Why should we run after elusive things? Here you get the experience, all right. After that, you must grow. If you grow, you can change this world. It's a global movement. Like in Russia, I would say there are millions in Russia. While in India too we have maybe millions. And also Austria, so many countries have got it. Italy, imagine. Their people have awakened, so why not in England? And the leaders of England are rather upset with the English. They think it doesn't work out, Mother. I can't understand, because this is the 7th time I am here. And 7th heavens you have to know. That you can know without any difficulties, without paying anything. The whole knowledge is free. Is it? Because it is free, you don't care? They have asked me to talk about it. Okay, otherwise, it's not worth talking about these things. Your country is such, it's like really the heart, and it circulates all over the world. All your newspapers, they may be useless, but they circulate. All your media, whatever they may publish, it circulates all over the world. We don't know about Americans, though it's supposed to be a very great country. We don't know about any other country so much as we know about England. How? Why? Monarchy is so many places, but we know everything about monarchy from England. Why? How? How do we manage? It's worth asking this question. There's something special about this country. I lived here for years. I worked hard. I went from north to south, east to west. Perhaps I left no city which I did not visit. But the situation is such that when they get realization, they are very happy. They start jumping, and after that they forget about it. It's a great responsibility on people of UK that they can do so much in spirituality. It's not something also so cheap that it can be sold. It's invaluable. It's invaluable. It's your right to get it. And also it's your sensibility that you should grow into it. For example, in England when I first came, I had to deal with the drug addicts. They were the first who came. Perhaps they were seeking in drugs the truth. When they came, overnight they gave up their drugs. Overnight. Even alcohol. People gave up overnight. Overnight. Believe me, they are here now. I know they are sitting. Now, this is the minimum. And so many people got cured. And we wanted that something should be written about the miracles of surgery. So I told one gentleman, Englishman is, he wrote to me, Mother, it's not even 1 month. From both the sides, all the letters have gone up over my head. I don't know how to select. So can you give some time? I said, I have no time at all. You can select yourself. With all this, why don't you experiment and why don't you grow? You are very important. This is what you don't understand. That you have been born in this country or you have come to this country, whatever it is a very important, significant place and a life of yours. But you should understand that is very important. And they should grow. But it is beyond me to understand that in a place like Austria, in a place like Italy, how is it they have understood it and they're automatically working it out. You know, I've crossed my 75 years of age and I don't know how long will I have to live to face the English people. And how will they understand? Sometimes it's beyond me. But now you will know that it is a science. And the scientists have said that they have seen the cosmic energy emitted out of my head. That's a fact. That Sir Yogis know. Sir Yogis know. They have felt it. They have got this experience. For them it's nothing new. Not through science, but they have known it as an experience. Now for you, you are also very well educated people everywhere. You are respected very much. It is for you now to evaluate your own personality and understand why are you on this earth. What is the purpose? So many of you got realization last time, but you are nowhere. You have done nothing. You got your realization all right. Each person can give realization to thousands of people if he gets out of his own, own ideas. And this can do such a lot of good to the whole world. Formerly in America, it was terrible because all kinds of funny people went there to make money. So they told me, if you don't ask for money, Mother, in America nobody will come. They have to pay for it. Otherwise they don't value it. I said, but sorry, you cannot. How much? You tell me how much should I charge? How much do you charge for your mother's love? Then you tell me how much you charge. And then we can work it out. And it was surprising that it hit their heads. Now it's better. Same thing I have to request you, that please find out, when you have this experience of Kundalini awakening, that you are a chosen person for a special work. For example, now this instrument, if it is not connected to the means, what is the identification? What is the purpose? That's why then people become hippies, they become these, then punks, because they have no identification.